Hey, what's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to create a broadcast channel on Instagram. So make sure to watch the video till the end to understand the process step by step. First, head over to your Instagram and open your messages. Take a screenshot of your message and go back to your profile. Click on the three bar icon in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. And keep scrolling down until you find Help. Click on Help. Click on the first one called Report a Problem. It says go back and check your phone. So you go back and you actually check your phone and it shows you report a problem. Click on it and then include and continue. Now what you're going to do is upload the screenshot and send them a message saying, hey, I want to create a broadcast channel, but I don't have the updates. Please update it for me. And then hit send. And one thing you need to make sure your profile is public. Because if it's not public, you won't be able to create a broadcast channel for yourself. So guys, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and do subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos like this. And I will see you guys in the next one.